Hey guys, welcome back to more Heavy Rain. So in the last part, Mr. Shelby and Lauren both kind of pieced together like the name John Shepherd, and they kind of like did some cross-referencing kind of thing, and found that a John Shepherd had purchased parts for a particular typewriter, along with being subscribed to an origami magazine. Only to find out that John Shepherd was actually a child who died when he was 10 back in the late 1970s. He drowned in a pipe that was that overfilled with rainwater, and so my theory is that his brother has taken on the name of John Shepherd and is the origami killer. However, like, I don't know if it's Jordy Kramer, because Jordy Kramer's dad was seen putting fresh flowers on John Shepherd's grave, but there was also a little origami figure at the grave. Like, I'm not really sure there. And then Madison went to investigate the guy Paco, who owned the apartment where Ethan here cut his finger off, and ended up tying him to a chair and basically torturing him till he gave her the information that a guy named John Shepherd was the one who was renting the apartment from him. So we keep coming back to John Shepherd. I think we might be getting close to the end of this. I don't know. I was under the impression the game was a little longer, but I don't know. We're just gonna go ahead and get back into it. We're back with Ethan. So Madison! She just keeps coming back. He's like, you again.
Ethan, are you alright?
I couldn't do it.
Oh, that's right. He couldn't kill someone.
I was supposed to kill him to save Sean. And I couldn't do it.
You're not the origami killer, Ethan. You're not responsible for those murders. I can prove it.
Well, I don't care if you
changes
can prove
nothing.
it. I need to know where my son is.
Saving Sean is all that matters now.
Gizzard. That is a terrible kiss. Oh my god. That is such a bad kiss. Go again for some more. I wasn't a fan of his wife anyways. More. Give me some sugar. Oh, okay, I don't know. I don't think we need to do too much more. What you doing? What are you doing? Oh, maybe I shouldn't have done this. Maybe this was a bad idea. He's gonna hate himself if he gets distracted with making out with her. Plus, I'm surprised her, like, trauma isn't kind of kicking in here. I've read plenty of stories, like books, where they get... The fact that his bandages kind of just, like, blend into his skin. Oh. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, oh. Oh no. The thing is, like, stuff like this happens in, Beyond Two Souls 2. I don't know, it keeps giving me an option to, like, it gives me a second option, and I just keep clicking on, like, the first one I see, but I'm wondering if the other option is, like, pulling away. Okay, if anything is shown, I have to cut it out. Okay? Like, anything explicitly, yep. Okay, So I had to just cut out a little bit because, like, I don't want to get the video taken down or anything for nudity. Oh, that was very abrupt. I'm trying to be slow. I am so bad at going slow like that. I don't know. But this relationship probably is not the most healthy because she always shows up whenever he needs help. And, like, it's obvious that, like, she cares for him and stuff, but I just don't know if this is, like, the most healthy thing. And he's probably kicking himself right about now. He's like, I just lost time. That's what I would be doing if it were me. And, like, trying to do something, like, trying to find, okay, say I'm trying to find my child that's been kidnapped. And in the process, I just randomly sleep with a girl that, like, has been helping me or whatever. I would feel so guilty that I just lost all that time by getting distracted like that. Okay. I was really oh, nope, no, we're using both hands. That would hurt. That would hurt. That would hurt. There's some regret. He's regretting. I'm not necessarily that he regrets actually being with her, but just that, like, hey, I shouldn't have done that. Like, this was not the time. You're gonna go pee? Oh, he's holding his back weird. I'm so old. Blew my back out. Oh no, we shouldn't leave. Can I get dressed? Where'd my clothes go? They were on the floor. I don't know that they are on the floor anymore. Oh, they are still on the floor. Okay. Is he gonna get dressed and leave? Is he actually? Also, I would be freezing laying on top of the bed in nothing but, like, a t-shirt and underwear. I would be absolutely frozen. Now she's gonna hate you. She's gonna hate you. Last letters 961 Rainbow Lane. So I guess we're just gonna have to kind of fill things in for ourselves because we didn't kill that guy. Bye, Madison. Hope you don't hate me too much. What? Oh, is our coat under hers? Oh, stop! Oh my god, I hate the controls. Don't. Do not snoop. Do not do it. I hate that. I hate it when characters in games decide to snoop. Can I just not? Or is this our stuff? Has he been... was she stalking us? Why'd she get a picture of us sleeping?
I should have guessed. All this time and I had no idea.
Ethan, what's the matter?
I thought I meant something to you.
Listen,
Uh-oh.
You're a pretty good nurse for a fucking journalist!
Ethan, I wanted to tell you, but...
What kind of article were you gonna write? My life with a serial killer? No. How I caught the origami killer. Maybe you'll get a book deal. I hope it was fucking worth it!
Ethan, it's not what you think.
You lied to me, Madison! All this time you fucking lied to me! I thought you wanted to help me, but you're only thinking of writing a fucking book!
I would also shut down.
I'm a journalist. And I knew that you were the father of the boy who had disappeared, and I wanted to cover the story. But then I saw what you were going through to save your son. And I understood how much you love him. I wanted to tell you the
My
truth,
timer is really loud.
but I couldn't. I was afraid that you may not believe me. I was afraid that you'd ask me to go. All I want is for you to find your son alive.
He's not happy.
And when it's all over, I want to be with you.
Well, we'll forgive her. I think they're cute together. It's not the most healthy relationship, but I think they're cute.
I'm sorry, Ethan. I'm so sorry.
I don't know if like he's intentionally like keeps moving his jaw weird.
You're leaving, aren't you?
Yeah.
It's the last origami figure. The last letters, then I'll know where Sean is.
Take care, Ethan. I can't lose you now.
The way those pants just stretched all weird.
I'm gonna go find something to eat. Wait for me. I'll be back in 10 minutes.
He's not gonna wait. He's not going to wait. Oh, no, I'm Madison. Yeah, we're gonna get back. He's gonna be gone. I mean, granted, that went better than I was expecting, but that's also because I was allowed to choose whether I forgave her or rejected her. But I do think they're cute together. And I don't really like his wife. No, no. Oh, wow, look, she can actually go back down the stairs. I didn't think that was possible. I don't even know where I'm supposed to be finding food.
I think I'm starting to fall in love.
I don't know if I'd call it love yet.
We'll find his son and prove he's innocent. I'll be able to help him now that he knows who I am.
Oh, cops.
Now
Cops.
we gotta find his son.
Cops.
And I think I know where to start looking.
They're going to
Cops.
recognize you.
They're looking for Ethan. It looks like a raid.
Oh no! Oh no! Warn.
There must be some way of warning Ethan. Think, girl, think.
The phone. 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 Go up! Step up! What are you doing? What is it?
A telephone. I gotta find a telephone to call his room. Come on, what was the damn number?
Was it 09? No, that was not it! It was not 11. It was not 11.
Crap, that's not it.
Oh 07. It's 07.
Come on, come on. Pick up the phone.
Hello?
The cops. They're in the motel. You've got to get out of here.
Well, where the heck's he gonna go? That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Ethan is no parkour warrior, okay? Oh, that was the wrong button.
Come on, he's getting away.
I'm going to get shot.
Still on the move. We get him.
I got it. I got it.
We're gonna run for it. He's on the balcony.
This is not good. He's not very good at this. Go into this guy's room.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. Oh no. Go, go, go. 'Cause I don't have Jaden this time. I don't have Jaden to save my butt. That'd be my bad. My B. My B. Okay. Oh boy. Ethan. What you doing, my dude? You are cornering yourself. This is not good. Kick him off. No. We won't kick him off. We're not a killer. I've already determined this. I may be, but he's not. Oh. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. I'm surprised they're not trying to shoot me. Uh-oh. I'm cornered. Almost. 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 This is so bad. This is so bad. This isn't going to end well. I am no parkour warrior. I do not do this. Crap. It's not Ethan. There's a roof right behind me. I just slid down the roof. Jump. Bye.
Holy fuck!
Oh. Ow. He's had worse though. Worse has happened. Worse has happened. I think he'll be okay. Go. Go. I am so surprised they're not shooting. Don't tell me he gets in the taxi. Don't tell me he gets in the taxi. Okay. I'm getting in the taxi. I'm stealing the taxi? I'm stealing the taxi! And the cops just standing on the corner at the motel watching me go. And this guy just sitting in the street. Oh, this is so funny. It's funny. I find it funny. Noble, can I put you in your crate with your sister? Just a second. Ooh. Alright, my bad. Let's put my puppies away. Okay. Where's Lauren? There she is.
Lauren?
I'm sorry, Scott.
You should have listened to me, Mr. Shelby.
What?
I told you to drop the investigation.
Your son is a serial killer. How many people does he have to kill before you turn him in?
Gordy has his faults, but he's still my son. You have no children, Mr. Shelby. You can't possibly understand.
Did Lauren give us up?
You leave me no choice. Your investigation is over. For good.
Did Lauren give us up? Are we naked? No. It's like the color of his jacket looked very similar to
Lauren! No. Shit!
well, that's not good. Oh, my poor car. Oh no. Dang it, come on. I'm going to kill more characters. It never works well when they're in a car. Stop. I have to hold it. I have to hold it. I'm going to die. I'm going to kill 2 more characters. In a car!
Goddamn fool. Nothing's gonna work if I don't switch on that ignition.
Of course. You call me a fool? The car seriously just started? What did you just do? I don't know what that switch does. Oh. Oh, is that a cigarette lighter? It is.
Oh, shit! Shit!
Uh-oh. Hey, oh. Magically got it. Okay. Yep.
Lauren, wake up! Lauren!
What are we doing? Poor car. She's not ready for that. Take a deep breath. Are we still sinking? Was the car still going down or was it like resting on something like the riverbed? I managed to save him this time. I probably should have done something else to try and get rid of us.
I was gonna take up swimming again. This isn't exactly what I had in mind. You got a car back at your place? Mine's obviously pretty fucked up.
Yeah, sure. What are you gonna do?
I'm
They're
gonna go
so
settle a
calm.
few scores. Come on, I'll take you home. Lock your doors and windows and don't let anybody in but me. Okay?
Be careful, Scott. I don't want to lose you.
Are they developing feelings for each other too? We got another couple of forming? Okay, sticking with Scott. Sticking with Mr. Shelby. Oh, he is so mad now. Oh, he's going to wreck her car. This is not going to end well. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? Okay, apparently Scott is a killer. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, he's good too. He's a really good aim. Oh my word. You're going out of bullets soon, dude. You better like hit like LB or something and pick up some more ammo on your way. Triangle. He's going to run out of bullets soon. We are going to get in so much trouble for this. Would they really wipe out like that?
Stay back! Don't come near me, or I'll shoot!
Fucking asshole.
Please, don't.
Oh! Okay, don't actually choke him. We've killed enough people today.
Your idiot son killed all those kids, didn't he? He's the origami killer.
No! No! He's innocent! He's not a killer! Not a killer!
So why are you trying so hard to cover up for him?
You're a fucking liar. Now tell me the truth.
No! No, please! Don't hurt me!
Last chance.
I don't know! I swear! I don't know anything!
Oh boy.
Stop! Stop! I beg you. I'll tell you. I'll tell you everything.
Okay.
Morty, Gordy always wanted his fun, you know. He wanted to be like the origami killer.
Be like?
He kidnapped that kid and he held him under the water for a little too long.
What kid?
It was an accident.
Which kid?
An unfortunate accident. He just wanted to play. He told me everything.
He thought that was play?
He was crying. He was so sorry for what had happened. Whatever he did. Gordy is my son. No one will miss him.
What?
That boy, Gordy killed. No one will miss him. He was street trash, like so many others.
I was going to walk away.
You're a disgusting pile of shit. What about John Shepard? Why did you put flowers on his grave?
I own the construction site where he died. I never forgot. I've been putting flowers on his grave for 30 years.
John
Oh, it
had
was a twin brother.
What happened to him?
I thought they just happened to be
I don't know.
brothers.
He was adopted, I think. His mother should know. Her name is Anne. Anne Shepard. My heart! My heart! Quickly! I need my pills.
Okay.
In that drawer. There.
Fine. I'm not gonna kill someone on my own conscience. If it was Shelby, like if he just did it, fine. But I'm not gonna be killing anybody unless I feel they very much so deserve it. Well, and he does deserve it, okay, so that's not good reasoning.
You saved my life.
I already regret it.
Cool. Well, Lauren no longer has a car. Don't know how to break it to her. Oh, okay, so we're back with Madison. I wonder if she's gonna know where Ethan is. Hey, Shelby, Madison's got a bike. You could have her bike. He's in the emergency room? Why would he go to the hospital? Oh.
Hello, I'm looking for Anne Shepard's room.
Please sign the visitor's book.
Okay. Don't use your actual
Are you a
name.
member of the family?
Yeah, you could say that.
Oh, she'll be pleased to have a visitor. No one ever comes to see her. With the Alzheimer's, she has trouble remembering things, but it'll still please her.
Oh, so we're not here for Ethan.
It's room 19 at the end of the corridor.
Thank
Thank
you.
Is this like a... I don't know if she would be in a psych ward necessarily, but is it something kind of like that?
Room 19.
19, not 9.
Where is that? Room 19.
Oh, she just keeps saying it. Okay.
Where is that? Only a few hours left before Sean Mars dies. Hope I'm not wasting my time. John Shepard died 30 years ago. Hope his mother has all the answers to this puzzle.
She's got Alzheimer's. I'm kind of doubting it.
Hello, Mrs. Shepard.
Is it time for my pills already?
No, Mrs. Shepard,
They're never on time with my pills. I don't know what they do here. In the other hospital, they were always on time. But here...
Other hospital?
My name is Madison Page. I'm a journalist. I'd like to ask you some questions about your son.
I don't like this hospital. The food isn't very good, you know.
You had a son named John, and John had a twin brother.
Do you have my pills? It's time for my pills.
Try to remember, Mrs. Shepherd. John's twin brother was placed with a foster family after the accident. What was the name of the foster family?
I asked them for a television, you know. They
Will
said
getting
I
her
didn't
her
have
pills
enough
help her
money.
remember?
It's a pity. I'm fond of television.
Your other son, Mrs. Shepherd, John's twin brother. What was his name?
What other son? Oh, I have no other son. I never had any children.
Oh?
I know what happened at Carnaby Square. Do you remember?
Is her hand intentionally
Carnaby
shaking?
Square. I think I used to live there a long time ago. We didn't have much money at the time, you know. We had to make do with very little.
Do you remember John?
My Johnny. He is a good little boy, you know.
He is?
I think your son is in trouble, Mrs. Shepherd. He's done some terrible things. I need to find him. Do you understand?
Okay, so did
Terrible
John...
things you're telling me. He never came to see me, can you believe it? In 10 years, never. No one forgets their mother, do they?
Okay. Like, so is John actually the one that's dead? Or... Apparently I can no longer ask questions. I was trying to hit 4, but it went away.
You don't seem to get many flowers, Mrs. Shepherd.
No, but I love them. My son knows that I love flowers. I know he'll bring me some.
So does she believe John's still alive? Not the one that died was the other brother?
Are these your children, Mrs. Shepherd? John and his brother? Is that them?
They're good little boys. Their father never looked after them. Always drinking. They didn't have an easy life, you know.
Nothing in there. What is this? Origami. Someone was in there practicing. We make her a flower?
I love origami, but that's not my favorite one.
Okay. I need to make her a flower. Crane, no. 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 Oh. Is that it? Maybe I'll try making the dog. Hold it. Flip it, pop it, twist it.
Oh, you know how to do these little dogs too. My children loved origami. I taught them how to do it. John loved the little dogs. He always wanted to call them Max. Max, Max, Max. All dogs with the same name. I was wasting my time telling him they couldn't all have the same name. But he always wanted his paper dogs Max. It's funny, isn't it?
I want to know who's in the pendant on her neck.
Alright, no point in wasting my time. I won't learn anything more by staying here.
You don't think?
Her memory is coming back.
Oh.
Don't stop now. Just remember. This woman might be the origami killer's mother. Must be some way to get her to remember. It'd take days, if not longer, to find the name of the family that adopted her son. Sean Mars would be dead by then. Alright, no point in wasting my time. I won't learn anything more by staying here.
I wonder if I make her the other origami figures. It won't let me anymore. Can I go get her flowers out of that base? More origami. She has a TV. What does she mean they don't give her a TV?
Did you make these origami figures?
My little paper animals. They played with them for hours. I showed my boys how to make them, you know.
Yes, your boys, Mrs. Shepherd. John and... what was your other son's name again?
My other son? I only had one son. My little Johnny.
She's adamant she only had one kid. I wonder if I can go get... yeah, I want to try and go get those flowers out of the vase in the other room. Like out in the hallway. Maybe if I bring her flowers. She said she liked flowers. Okay.
Does Mrs. Shepherd ever talk about her past?
It's not all very clear to her now. Sometimes she'll remember the oddest things, though. I suppose if she sees something that reminds her of her past.
Oh,
Does Mrs. Shepherd ever talk about her past?
It's
I
not
had
all
other
very
things
clear to
swirling
her
around
now.
and then they disappeared right as I hit one.
Sometimes she'll remember the oddest things, though. I suppose if she sees something that reminds her of her past.
Okay.
Does she get many visitors?
She's been here for 10 years and you're the first.
Oh, that's so sad.
I'm looking for her other son. He was adopted. I mean, he's probably changed his name. Is there any official documentation?
I don't know if you'd have access
on Mrs.
to it.
Shepherd?
No, there's nothing really. Nothing about her family. I guess if her son was adopted, then she's the only one who could tell you about that.
Well, of course.
Sometimes, if you show her things, it seems to trigger a memory from her past.
Yeah, you just told me
You might
this.
get it to remember.
Thanks for the advice.
I need those flowers. Aren't they like right there? We go. Pretty flower. Is that an orchid? Is that a white orchid? Is that even a thing? It looks like an orchid to me, but I don't know flowers very well. I could be wrong. Here you go.
What a lovely orchid.
It is an orchid.
My sons loved orchids. We used to grow them in the back. When John died, I laid orchids on his grave. I cried when they told me. I'd already lost one of my children, and now they were taking away another one, you understand.
The foster family, Mrs. Shepherd. What was the name of the foster family that adopted John's brother?
They were really very nice people. I met them, you know. In the beginning, I used to go and see my little boy. And then I got sick and I couldn't go any longer. Perhaps he thought I'd forgotten him. He must have thought I didn't love him anymore.
Family's name?
His name, Mrs. Shepherd. What was his name?
But I loved him.
She's like, I'm not
If you only knew how much I missed him.
Please, Anne. His name. What was his name?
Come closer.
Okay. Uh-oh. I don't like that reaction. Don't tell me that his name was Ethan. Don't tell me his first name was Ethan. Don't tell me. Please don't tell me his first name was Ethan. Oh, I keep wanting to say last name. Oh, we're back to Ethan. Okay. Oh my goodness. What is this? I don't know, but this is actually... I do know what it is. This is the end of the park. Sorry, it's not a very good place to end it, but cliffhanger, I guess. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I do have my Sims channel and my Twitter both linked down in the description below. If you guys would like to go check those out, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.